That's my beautiful white hope. Something of a miracle cat. I rescued her as a blind little emaciated baby, just like I did Pixie, thinking being so white and fluffy. Here's the little baby, the other little black rescues. Being so white and fluffy, she'd be adopted for sure. But by the time she was healthy enough for another home, she was so bonded to me I couldn't place her because she was really scared of people. Now this is Pixie, who is more fearless. She's trusts people, but she's very vigilant, hyper vigilant. So she's really got a lot of wild left in her, which makes her fun to watch. She hates to be picked up, but she loves to perch on you and let you pet her. She's so fun to watch. It's like having a mini puma hanging around in your yard. And then I think, here we got little Jelly Bean, who is going to go home with Seth and Katie today, and Jelly Bean's going to be Royce's special therapy kittens, I say. And then we see Edie is watching everything. Oh, it's so fun to watch kittens play. Miz Robin'S Cat Time.